Hi, I'm Brennan Raymer, and welcome to the lab area of our Tulip Experience Center. When you walk into our lab space, you'll notice we have a wall-mounted tablet here. This shows the status of our lab and allows us to check in. Now here we have a computer vision check to verify the operator is wearing the proper gowning equipment. So here we'll just take a picture, and here we're using Tulip Vision to then identify what pieces the operator is actually wearing. So now we can see the operator is only wearing a lab coat, but the safety glasses are also required. So here we have some info validation to not let the operator check in before having the proper PPE on. Let me throw on some safety glasses and we can retake this picture. So now it's identified that we're wearing both safety glasses and the lab coat, so we have the proper PPE on to continue this process. So now when I hit this next button, we're now fully checked into our lab, and it appears as busy for anyone else looking to do a lab process at this time. So we can also record this process time and get metrics for the duration that we can then use to improve our process later on as well. This is how Tulip can help ensure your operators are following your rigorous safety standards, especially in the life sciences space.